Hi, Casa. Today our story time, and our story is called The Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods is a deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pats, tiptoes, and creeps-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too drank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The little mouse knew how to light a fire. Look at that. The coals pip pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes. Sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A hare is another word for a rabbit. "Oh, Mouse," said the hare, "long time no see." So they pop up white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, they look like they're about to have a party. Mouse sips his wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. The badger scrupples by, sniff, sniff in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've bought honey nuts," Badger said with a grin. "Let's divvy them up and cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A groper and a mole tunnel through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm, twiddle whirn," and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, and they chat and they chatter, and the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare storks the fire, mouse seasons the stew, and a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. And then the bear wakes up, and the bear growls, and he snarls, and the bear roars, and then he rumbles, and the bear jumps, and he stomps, and the bear growls, and then he grumbles. They look like they're all about to leave that den. Let's see what happens next. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and then he moans and then he groans, and the bear blubbers on, and the mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. Oh, that's a sweet, sweet mouse. And the bear gulps, and the bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight, and he spins his tail through the blizzarding night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That's a sweet story. All right, Casa, I hope you enjoyed story time today. Happy Friday and have a wonderful weekend.